guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shatakshi. I hope you guys like it here. I'm back with yet another one of my most favorite videos to record, that is the Princess Box unbox. This month around, Princess Box, or Priyanka, the owner of the Princess Box, she actually asked people what would they like to include in the box, and everybody gave her suggestions and she chose a few and included them in the box. The box this time retails for 3,500 with 200 shipping, so overall is 3,700. And I know it's a little bit on the higher side, but you know once you are done with watching this video that why it is so expensive. Alright, just in case if you want to order the box, she's already the boxes are already over. She doesn't have the boxes anymore, but she do have these two combos. If in case you're interested in any of these, you can order them with her. I'll just leave all of her details in the description box, and you can use my code Shatakshi and get free shipping on them. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. This is how the box looks like. We legit get a Victoria's Secret box, very sturdy box that you can use to store anything, like absolutely anything in your home. And it also has a bow. I'm in love with this box, you guys. Seriously, it is not even considered a product in the cue card, but I do consider it as one of the products. So the first thing that I see right away inside the box is this. This is a Victoria's Secret Aqua Shimmer Fragrance Lotion, and it is in the Freesia and Daisy fragrance. This is a sequence body lotion. This was a product that was selected by Priyanka herself, and this retails for 2,050 rupees for 236 ml of product. So the next thing that we have is this. This is a pre-booking gift that was suggested by Niranjana from Leotales, and just imagine what is this. This is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I got it in the shade Rockstar, which is a dark violet shade, and this retails for 2,200 rupees. The next thing that I see inside the box is this. This is Etude House Wonder Pore Freshner, so it's just like a toner, and this one was suggested by Lavanya. This retails for 550 rupees for 50 ml of product. The next thing that we have inside the box is this. This is Bath & Body Works Pack hand sanitizer. So this retails for 295 rupees for 29 ml of product, and this also has a little bit of shimmer inside it. One of the star products apart from Urban Decay was this. If you can't really if you can't make out by what this is Jefrre Star mini liquid lipstick, and I went in the shade Unicorn Blood, and this one retails for 1,000 rupees, and it was suggested by Ayesha. It is a very deep, dark, brownish, bloody brownish kind of shade, and it's very rich. I just applied it and it is very pigmented, you guys. Just one swatch and it is all wow, and it's very comfortable as well. So I've just put it on my hand. I'm not sure if it lasts long or not. If you want a review, just leave it in the comment and I'll review this for you. The next thing that I have inside is Victoria's Secret Pink Sheet Mask. This one is 550 rupees. This one is the Spa Sesh Face Mask. If you know, in hotels they use sea minerals for your face mask, and this is like a face sheet, so it includes all of the sea mineral and it's really good for your health. So that was the last product inside. Then we have couple of snackers inside, and these she did not include any money because they were gift. So first we have cream and onion whole wheat thins, and I don't see any prices on this considering it was a gift. And then we have a Chupa Chup lollipop, so that's that. We got one more surprise gift, that was this. It was wrapped around so beautifully, like in a pink mini gift wrapper, and these are Minnie Mouse socks from H&M. So overall, I just calculated the value. It was around about 6,700 and 6,645 rupees, and it does not include the value of the box itself or the snacks or the socks. So we get around 7,000 worth of products only for 3,500 rupees, and that is the reason why I love Princess Box so much, because we get so good deals on international brands with such good value and authentic products, because she always orders it from the website themselves, so there is no chance of you getting an unauthentic product. So that is it, you guys. Comment down below about which one is your favorite product. Let me know if you received something different in your box. What all did you choose for yourself? And leave a comment down below if you want more of such videos, or if any video requests that you have for me. I'll see you in my next video. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.